release the stress and tension of the day. My mind is calm and my body is relaxed. I am at peace with my past, present, and future. My breath is slow and steady, guiding me to sleep. I embrace the quiet serenity of this moment. Sleep restores my mind, body, and soul. I let go of worry and welcome peaceful dreams. I trust that tomorrow will take care of itself. My bed is a sanctuary of comfort and rest. I am deserving of deep, restful sleep. I am safe, secure, and at ease. My body knows how to heal and rejuvenate itself. I invite tranquility into my sleep space. My mind slows down, allowing me to rest fully. I am grateful for the stillness of the night. I fall asleep easily and wake up refreshed. I trust my body to relax and restore itself. I embrace the calm of the night. My thoughts are quiet, and my sleep is peaceful. I drift into sleep with a light heart and a clear mind. I release any lingering tension from the day. I let go of what I cannot change or control. I forgive myself for any mistakes made today. I am grateful for the lessons today brought. I am free from the burdens of the day. I let go of all negativity and embrace positivity. I am proud of what I accomplished today. I release any worries and allow myself to rest. I am free from the need to overthink or overanalyze. I trust that I did my best today. I let go of stress and welcome peace. I forgive others and release all resentment. I am grateful for the opportunities I had today. I let go of today's disappointments with grace. I release all thoughts of what should have been. I am at peace with everything that happened today. I let go of perfectionism and embrace self-compassion. I am free from the weight of the day's concerns. I trust that everything is unfolding as it should. I leave the past behind as I enter into restful sleep. I am worthy of love and respect. I am grateful for the love that surrounds me. I appreciate my body and all it does for me. I am proud of who I am and who I am becoming. I am grateful for the abundance in my life. I love and accept myself unconditionally. I am deserving of happiness and joy. I am grateful for the lessons life has taught me. I am enough just as I am. I appreciate the beauty in my life, big and small. I am kind to myself and others. I am grateful for my strengths and talents. I love the person I am becoming. I am surrounded by love and positivity. I am grateful for my unique qualities. I am proud of my achievements, no matter how small. I am worthy of all the good that life has to offer. I am grateful for the gift of today. I love myself for who I am and who I strive to be. I am at peace with my past and excited for my future. I am attracting positive energy into my life. I am open to receiving all the good the universe has to offer. I am in alignment with my highest potential. I am confident in my ability to achieve my goals. I am manifesting my dreams into reality. I am worthy of success and abundance. I am surrounded by opportunities to grow and thrive. I am a magnet for positivity and good vibes. Subscribe and like for more relaxation and inner peace every day.